When I'm looking on the south, in the western, in the central, yeah. And I found us was born and I'm grown in the northern Uganda. Uganda be the Lobona, yeah. African, my black continent.
Video. Well guys, it is already drizzling and it is coming to rain. I'm about to run inside my house. In this video, I just want to tell you why the Lango chose Rhino as their totem. Historically, the Luo people were involved in a lot of wars, even among themselves and also externally. That's just history. But now, it is gone. So Rhino is very important in Lango culture because it symbolizes peace, but also the strength of the Lango people. The nature of Lango, according to Glad Okelo is one of an herbalist who is 59 years old in Lera. He told the Luo Online that it represents the real character that the Rhino also had. The Rhino had the ability to defend other animals due to the strength, and also it is very peaceful when not disturbed. But once you disturb the Rhino, it will attack you mercilessly and will also defend other animals. And he also went ahead to say Lango were also defending other chiefdoms and kingdoms around them in the past. So this is why the Lango people chose Rhino. And also to add more, one of the Lera chiefs by the name Guzi said that Rhino, especially the horn, was used as a symbol of victory after every war. Whenever Lango goes for war and they come back with the horn of the Rhino being blown, making sound, being raised as a pride, it is an indication that Lango has won that war. The women and the children, the elders, will join in the celebration, going to prepare what is called Maroa or the Lechoi. They enjoy the Maroa together, locally brewed alcohol in Lango. So they enjoy it together to celebrate the victory, roasting the hunted meat, roasting the hunted birds together at a bonfire. And that was the peace the Lango people had. So that is the cultural representation of the Rhino, the symbol, the meaning of that symbol according to the Lango people. And that is why Lango people chose it as their totem. A big respect to the Lango people, a big respect to Wanyashi, the chiefdom leader of Lango chiefdom. He is great enough. Lango is also a chiefdom, not a kingdom. A kingdom is a dictatorship system. Yes, we must say that. And thank you for watching this video, and I request you to subscribe. Let's wait for you in the next video. Bye bye.